From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Emmett with your CNET evening forecast. The live cam over Beaver Stadium shows our lovely construction getting done and the clouds overhead. And as we can see, everything's moving out to the south, and we get these wonderful clearing skies to finish off our wonderful day. And furthermore, you can see all the lovely work that's getting done to Beaver Stadium and next to the soccer field, and showing, a lot of progress, a lot of new stuff is on the way for Penn State. For our weather headlines, we can see that temperatures are going to begin to shift above freezing, so we will have some relatively warmer days compared to the negative temperatures that we had earlier on this week. Sunny skies will remain for much of this weekend and start of next week, and we might see a possible snow shower here and there towards the end of next week, but that's a little far out to start forecasting all of the certainty of what weather we're going to have. Moving into our departure from high temperatures from average, we can see we are -8 here in State College, but much of the Commonwealth, all of it is in the same boat as us. Everything is below average. We are in just a very cool pattern, as we can see, and up in Erie and Franklin and down in Pittsburgh and Johnstown, temperatures are in the minus double digits from their average temp, which is absolutely absurd. But we can see that we are still in this very cool pattern. For the next 6 to 10 days, we should be kind of on the fringe, more closer to average temperatures are on the way, but much of the entire United States is going to be above average from normal, and it's looking to be much warmer as far as we can see. Moving into our future weather, temperatures are going to continue to be in this cooler pattern, but by Sunday, temperatures are going to begin to peak up with our sunny skies that we have in the forecast, but much of the same is going to be in our future. Moving into our radar, our future actual precipitation weather, we can see clouds. Clouds are going to be the main story for our next week to come, and we might see a few snow showers here and there, as I mentioned earlier on, but Monday is when we're going to see the most of that sunshine, and Tuesday we might get a peak or two here and there. Moving into our day planner for the rest of today, it goes from 5 to 3 a.m., and temperatures, as you can see, are going to start to tick on down. A little warmer at 11 p.m., but by the time we hit 3 a.m., it's going to be about 13 degrees. And all of these clouds overhead are going to trap in a little bit more warmer temps. It might feel a little bit nicer than 13 degrees, but still, there's not going to be any winds, as we can see from our tonight graphic. We got mostly cloudy skies. Once again, you just saw that from that day planner, and now you can see that we've got winds are going to be calm. Temp is going to get down to 10 degrees, which is not ideal, but hey, it's better than negative temperatures. Moving into tomorrow, we can see 30-degree temps for the day and partly cloudy skies, but it's going to be very gusty. Wind gusts are going to get into maybe 17 miles per hour, but for our sustained winds, they're going to remain at mostly 5 to 10. And finally, for our 7-day forecast, as I mentioned, clouds are going to be the main story for much of the week. We will have some sunny skies here and there. Like I said, on Monday and Tuesday, we might get a mix of sun and clouds on Friday, but temperatures are going to be closer to average than what we have been experiencing. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Emmett Ricker. Have a wonderful night.